Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself, Roslina Ramadini Asfi, from the Office Administration Education Undergraduate Study Program, Faculty of Economics and Business, Jakarta State University. On this occasion, I will present my research proposal entitled The Influence of the Use of Social Media and Learning Motivation on the Academic Achievement of Generation Z in Student of Vocational School Negeri 51, Jakarta. Chapter 1 Introduction, Background, Research Result, Formula of the Problem, Research Purpose. Background. With today increasing rapid technology development, more and more people are using social media. Social media is a set of internet-based application that allow users to share or create information. Social media has changed human behavior, culture, ethics, and habit. Indonesia has the potential for great social change because its population is diverse in terms of culture, race, and belief. Studies show that in today's era, people spend quite a lot of time on social media platform, which has an impact on the way they interact and learn. According to data from the Indonesia Internet Service Provider Association in 2022, in the current digital era, social media has become an important part of daily criteria for human research development. Pre-survey research result. Research conclude that there are factors that have quite a big influence on academic achievement. The most influence factor is that social media can influence the learning process with a percent value of 94.6%. Then the second most influence factor is the social media has a direct impact on the academic result with a percent of 83.8%. And the third most influential factor is that social media has a more positive impact on academic achievement at 25.2%. In the final statement, the research asked students to fill in the 5 social media that are most often accessed at any time. Based on the result, WhatsApp social media is the most frequent access with a total of 37 students. If the percent is on 100%, all students use WhatsApp social media, therefore they get the top ranking. Then for social media that is rarely accessed are only 3 students. If the percent is 8% who have the threat application, then they get the last ranking. And formulation of the problem based on the background, the problem of this research can be obtained namely. 1. The social media have an influence on student academic achievement. 2. What is motivation to learning influence on achievement student academics? And 3. What is social media and motivation learning influence student academic achievement? And research purpose. In accordance with the problem discussed in the background, this research aims to 1. Find out whether social media has an effect on student academic achievement, and 2. Growing whether learning motivation influence student academic achievement, and 3. To find out whether social media and learning motivation influence student academic achievement. And chapter 2, literature review. And grand theory, sporting theory, review research, conceptual framework, research hypothesis. Grand theory. Social cognitive theory as a grand theory. Its theory explains that individual learn through observation and social interaction. In the context of the research, SCC can be used to understand how Generation Z students learning from social media content and how this affects their academic performance. And supporting theory, social media. Social media is an only platform that allow users to interact and share content with others. By using this technology, visual education can become more interesting and relevant in today's computer and internet era. Factor that influence social media, yours, internal factor. Personality is type of personality such as extroversion, so a positive influence on social media addiction. People with extrovert personality tend to be more active on social media. And B, fear of missing out. The fear of missing important moment can drive people to stay anxious with social media. Check loneliness and social anxiety. Loneliness and anxiety can drive people to seek interaction through social media. Next, internal factor. Social nets. People can use social media because of social support from friends and family. And B, motivation of entertainment. Social media is often used for entertainment and self-expression. And then the indicator from social media are frequency, behaviors, duration, and share activity. Next, motivation to learning. Learning motivation is an internal or external factor that encourages individuals to learn and achieve academic goals. Factor that influences learning motivation, namely, a internal factor consists of psychology, attitude, stimulation, affection, competence, reinforcement, talent, interest, and motivation of student. B. External factors. The natural and social cultural environment, while the non-social or instrument environment consists of the curriculum, learning facility, teacher, learning method, and class. The indicator of learning motivation are a sudden desire to learn, B. Hope and aspiration for the future, C. Interest activity in learning, D. Conducive learning environment, and E. Appreciation for learning. And academic achievement. Academic achievement is a measure of student success in the learning process, namely factors that influence academic achievement are divided into nine, namely gender, school origin, choice of major, average, national, examination score, university entrance, route, scholarships, taking tutor for schooling objects, active organization, student employment status. And the indicator of academic achievement are A. Cognitive aspect, B. Affective aspect, the realm of thinking which include behavior traits such as feeling, interest, attitude, emotion, or value. C. Psychomotor aspect are aspect related to movement such as those related to nerve muscular. For example, running, tapping, drawing, talking, dismantling equipment, or installing equipment, and so on. And relevant prevention research. Effect use social media on the academic achievement. Based on the research result is so that there is an influence between the use of social media on student academic achievement. And Prasasti et al. Use of social media on learning achievement of Pamulang University student. The result of this research show that there is significant relationship between social media use and student learning achievement. The influence is positive or negative depending on the pattern and in the use. This research recommend development digital literacy among students to increase awareness of the impact of social media use on learning achievement. And 3. Mendoza et al. Effect of use social media in education on achievement student academic. Based on the test result, the communication variable with social media does not have a significant impact on student academic achievement. And for Mahardika et al. Usai relationship, social media on learning, motivation, and academic evaluation result to midwifery department student health polytechnic Ministry of Health Mataram. There is no relationship between the use of social media on learning motivation and evaluation result academic for student majoring in midwifery at the Ministry of Health Polytechnic Mataram. And a conceptual framework based on a review of previous research, the theoretical basis and problem, that have been explained earlier. The following is a conceptual framework model from research which aims to examine the influence of the independent variable, namely social media X1 and learning motivation X2, on the dependent variable, namely academic achievement Y. And a hypothesis study. Hypothesis 1, there is a significant inflation between social media and academic achievement. Hypothesis 2, there is a significant inflation between learning motivation and academic achievement. Hypothesis 3, there is a significant inflation between social media and motivation learning on academic achievement. In chapter 3, research method. Research method, population and sample, data collection technique, data analysis technique, research timeline. Research method. This research use quantitative method, population and sample. The population and is a class 11 student at SMKN 51 Jakarta. There are 324 students from 9 classes and 6 majors. The sample size of 179 students was calculated using the Slovene formula with a margin of error of 5%. And data collection technique. 1. Prima data, questionnaire or questionnaire. And 2. Second data, documentasi or report card trace. And data analysis technique. Using statistical package for the social science version 25.0. In the initial stage, the research used one validity test. To measure the validity of the questionnaire that has been distributed to the respondent. The validity that will be discussed is the validity of the questionnaire item. The state for determining the significant correlation coefficient this is 0.05. And B, valid data criteria if the value of roach corn more than Airtable significant 0.05, then it can be declared valid. And 2, reliability test. A measuring instrument is said to be reliable if the instrument, when measured and phenomena is different times always show the same result. The reliability test method that is often used is Cronbach alpha. Cronbach alpha criteria are as follows. 1. Cronbach alpha less than 0.6 can be said for reliability. B. Cronbach alpha more than 0.6 to 0.79 it can be said to be acceptable reliability. And C. Cronbach alpha more than 0.8 can be said to have good reliability. Next, go to the test requirement analysis step. 1. Normality test. As a test of analysis requirements of classical assumption, which aims to assess the distribution of data in data group or variable. whether the data distribution is normal distribution or not. B. In this study, the normality test method was used, namely the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test. And C. The Kolmogorov-Smirnov test criteria are as follows. If the p-value is less than 0.05, then it can be said the data is normal distribution. 2. Multiple linear regression test. Multiple linear regression is used to analyze the relationship between one dependent variable and two or more independent variables. And B. The table of multiple linear regression. The result is model summary to see the f-test, ANOVA coefficient to see the result of the test. And research timeline. That's all. Thank you for my presentation. More or less sorry. Success is the result of hard work and persistence.